Hello students, in today's video lecture you will see the usage of derivatives in calculating the tangents and normals. How to find the slope of tangent and normal to a curve at any point is also a very beneficial application of derivatives. In this section we will use differentiation to find the equation of tangent line as well as normal line. First of all, you need to know what is tangent and what is normal to a curve. Let us suppose we have a diagram, we have a curve. Let us suppose this is a parabola. Now I need to find the tangent and normal at this point. This is my point P. Let us suppose this is my P point. P point can be at any place. I have considered the point here. And at this point, what is my tangent? Tangent is the line which just touches this point and passes around. This is my tangent line. Tangent line is a line which touches the curve at only one point. And what is normal line? Normal line is a line which is perpendicular to the tangent line. So this is my perpendicular to the tangent line. So I will say this is our normal line at point P. So in this section you will see how to find the equation of tangent line and normal line to the curve. You have already studied in your +1 class that what is the way of writing the equation of any line. Y minus y naught equal to slope x minus x naught. Just recall this result from your previous class that this is the equation of a straight line. Equation of a line is given by this. You can easily see this is a line, this is a line. So this point y0 and x0 is the point P, which is a fixed point, x0, y0. And these x and y are variables. Now what is this slope? Slope of tangent is equal to derivative of y with respect to x at point x0, at that point at which we need to find the slope of tangent. That means at point P, and P point is what? It is x0, y0. So what is slope of tangent? It is dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, and just put the values of x and y as x0, y0. The second result is, you better know that the product of slopes of two perpendicular lines is always equal to -1. If there are two lines, that is first line and second line, and these two lines are perpendicular, so you can easily say this is my line 1 L1, this is my line 2 L2. Product of L1 and L2 will be equal to -1. In this case, this tangent line and this normal line, these two lines are perpendicular, so you can say that the slope of normal multiplies slope of tangent is equal to -1. This implies that slope of normal is equal to -1 over slope of tangent. So -1 over slope of tangent is dy by dx at x0, y0. So this is my second result that I will use in this exercise to solve the questions. These are the two basic results in which we use derivative to find the equations of tangent and normal. Let us start some questions so that you can easily understand the concept. Starting with question number 3rd. My third question says, find the slope of tangent. We need to find the slope of tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. At the point whose x coordinate is 2. This x0 is given 2, but y0 is not given. So I will retain my y0 as it is. So 2, y0 is the point at which we need to find the slope of tangent, and the given curve is y equal to x cube minus x plus 1. Now what is my first purpose? My first purpose is to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So what is my dy by dx? It will be 3x square minus 1 plus 0. So it is 3x square minus 1. And derivative at point 2 comma y naught is equal to, just put the value of x as 2, and if it has y, then I will put the value y naught in place of y. But fortunately here it is not y, it is independent of y, so it is quite easy. 4 into 3, 12 minus 1, it is 11. So this is my slope of tangent. So this is my answer. I just need to find the slope of tangent, and the slope of tangent is 11 in this case. Clear? Let us do one more question. Question number 6. Find the slope of normal. Now we need to find the slope of normal. This is my question. To the curve. Curve is given as x equal to 1 minus a sine theta and y equal to b cos square theta, and at point theta equal to pi by 2. I need to find the slope of normal at point theta equal to pi by 2. This is my question. Clearly the curve is given in the parametric form. The curve is given in the form of parameters, where the parameter is theta. So I need to find dy by dx by using the concept dy by d theta over dx by d theta. Clear? So what is my dy by d theta? Dy by d theta is b 2 cos theta into derivative of cos theta, which is minus sin theta. So it will be minus b 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Right? Now what is dx by d theta? Dx by d theta is 0 minus a cos theta. Right? So what is dy by dx? What is dy by dx? It is dy by d theta, which is minus 2 sin 2 theta over minus a cos theta. So it is b over a sin 2 theta over cos theta. You can easily, you need not to use this formula, because you can easily cut cos theta with the denominator cos theta, right? So it is 2 sin theta cos theta over cos theta, and cos theta cancels. You are left with 2 b over a sin theta. Now what is dy by dx at point theta equal to pi by 2? It is 2 b over a sin pi by 2. I just replace theta with pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is sin 90, which is 1. So it is 2b by a. This is dy by dx. And dy by dx is the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. But in the question we need to find the slope of normal. So what is slope of normal? It is minus 1 over dy by dx. Right? So it will be minus 1 over 2b by a. It is minus a over 2b. This is my answer in this case. Let us do next question. Question number 8. In the question, find a point on the curve. We need to find the point. This is my question. The curve is given as x minus 2 square, at which the tangent is parallel to chord, and chord is made by joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. This is my question. First I need to find the equation of this chord. Equation of chord joining 2, 0 and 4, 4 is given as, just use the concept of equation of line, which is y minus y naught equal to slope x minus x naught. So let us suppose this is my first point, x naught comma y naught. You can also imagine this as x naught and y naught. It just depends on you. Y minus y naught, which is 0, slope. Now what is slope? It is y1 minus y naught over x1 minus x naught. X minus x naught. X naught is 2. Here I have used the concept of slope of a line having 2 points, 2-point form. If this is point x1 y1, this is x2 y2, then what is the slope of this line? It is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that result is used here. Now what is y1? It is 4 minus y0 is 0 over x1 is 4 and x naught is 2, x minus 2. Y equal to 4 over 2, x minus 2. So it is y equal to 2x minus 4. That is 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is my equation of this chord. Now from this equation of chord, I will use the result that parallel lines have same slope. This is the result that you must have read in your previous classes, that parallel lines have same slopes. ठीक है. Now the slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? It is minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of x? 2. What is coefficient of y? It is minus 1. So it is 2. 2 is the equation. 2 is the slope of line. Now what is tangent? So tangent is dy by dx and it is 2. Now I need to find dy by dx from this curve. Dy by dx will be equal to, use power rule, 2x minus 2 into power 1, derivative of x minus 2, which is 1 minus 0. So it is 2x minus 2. Now this dy by dx and this 2 are equal because both are the slope of tangent. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 2, x minus 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. This is my coordinate, x coordinate. I can easily find y coordinate by putting the value here. 3 minus 2 square is equal to 1 square equal to 1. So my point will be 3, 1. This is my point. Question number 15. Find the equation of tangent line. We need to find the equation of tangent line to the curve. Curve is given as y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. The first part is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and second point is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. This is my question. I need to find the equation of the tangent line to this curve which is parallel to this line, and the second case is which is perpendicular to this line. Now what is y? It is x square minus 2x plus 7. The first purpose is to find the derivative of this curve. What is dy by dx? It is 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. Now the equation of tangent line is parallel to this line. That means this tangent and this line are parallel. So they have same slopes. When tangent line is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, this means they have same slopes. Now what is slope of line? Slope of line, this line is minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. It is minus coefficient of x is 2 over coefficient of y is minus 1, so it is 2. So this 2 is also the slope of this tangent line. So that means dy by dx is equal to 2. It is 2x minus 2 equal to 2, 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. Right? Now this is my point x. What will be y? The point y will be 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. 4 minus 4 plus 7, which is 7. So my point is 2, 7. This is my point. Now equation of tangent line is y minus y1 equal to slope x minus x1, x0, right? Y minus y0 is 7 and slope is 2, x minus x0, x0 is 2. So y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 4. So it is 2x minus y minus 4 plus 7 equal to 0. So it is 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is my equation of tangent line. Now I need to find the equation. This is my first case. Now I need to solve the second case, in which it is said that the tangent line is perpendicular to the line. Second case, when the tangent line is perpendicular to 5y minus 15x equal to 13, that is 15x minus 5y plus 13 equal to 0. Just find the slope of this line first. What is slope of this line? Slope of this line, again the formula is same, which is minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. So it is minus 15 over minus 5, which is 3. This is my slope of this line. This line and the tangent line is perpendicular. That means their product, slope of their product is minus 1. Perpendicular lines have product of slope as product of slopes equal to minus 1, right? So what is slope of tangent? So what is slope of tangent? It is minus 1 over slope of this line, which is 3, minus 1 over 3. This is my slope of tangent. Again we will use the equation of tangent line, which is y minus y naught equal to slope x minus x naught, right? I will put value of slope equal to minus 1 over 3, but I need to find the points. At what point? X naught and y naught. Again dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 3. What is dy by dx? It is 2x minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 3. 2x equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 6, 5 over 3, 2x, and x equal to 5 over 6. This is my point x. What will be y? It is x square minus 2x plus 7. So it will be 5 over 6 square minus 2 into 5 over 6 plus 7, 25 over 36 minus 10 over 6 plus 7. LCM is 36. 25 minus 6, 60 plus 36, 36 into 7, 42, 21, 25 to 52. Adding first and third term, we get 527, 527, 2, 277 minus 60 over 36. It is 7, 1, 2 over 36. So point is 5 over 6, comma 217 over 36. So I'll put the value y minus 217 over 36 equal to slope. Slope is minus 1 by 3, x minus 5 over 6. Y minus 217 over 36 equal to minus x over 3 plus 5 over 18. X over 3 plus y equal to 5 over 18 plus 217 over 36. LCM is 36, 2, 10 plus 217, 227 over 36. X over 3 plus y, x plus 3y equal to 227 over 36. X plus 3y equal to 227 over 36 into 3, which is 12. So x plus 3y minus 227 over 12 equal to 0. This is my equation of tangent line in the second case. I always welcome you to ask your doubts so that you can easily solve your questions by yourself. This will build your confidence if you solve your questions and ask your doubts, because clearing the doubts is a very important thing, and you must ask your doubts if you find any. Okay, thank you.